Brad Williams, Excel Primed. How about we take a look at errors? And in particular, the null error. What's the null error? Generally, it's created when we are in a hurry and we just entered the wrong information. So the null error is common. Some of the common problems are, well, maybe you missed a semicolon, you missed a colon or a comma, maybe a space, maybe you entered the wrong letter, maybe the wrong number. A lot of null errors. Okay, we're going to average this information. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. It's simple average. Well, I don't need to explain the average. What we need to do is, what do we do wrong? Average C5, C8. We could just go to the function. We could use this function deal and it'll fix it. But we know, because we type so fast, that what do you put in here? A colon. Let's go down below. We want to average this information along with this dollar. How do you do that? You just go C5, C8. What's the separator? We need to put a comma in there. C5, 540. Proof? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. We use average, C16 to C20. We get the same answer. This method, well, clearly, you don't want to do this. You can just do a comma, separator, and then add whatever else you want to average. Neat little trick. Hard to remember, but if you can remember it, you're going to find that it's really one of those keep in your back pocket, try to remember. I couldn't remember. There's a null factor. You're going to run into it time and time again. Don't panic. Go back over your work. Look it over. If you're doing an average, do this. You can go average, and you can see right there, null. Just do this. Go down, but you can see right there, it did the job for you. Where's the correction? It's an automatic correction. C5, C8. Otherwise, try this. Go back in, hit function, hit C5, C8, go to number 2, hit 1, and guess what? It did the job for you. Formula bar, I strongly encourage you to use it if you're new to all this. It does a lot of the work for you. It does a lot of the thinking. That's a tip. Brad Williams, Excel Primed.